The graph below shows y equals log to the base 2 of x. Now we're going to have to do various sketches based on this, and one thing I should point out before we do that is whenever you have this situation, do not be inaccurate and just draw a general shape. Note that it goes through this point here. It goes through 1, 0. It goes through 2, 1. It goes through 4, 2. It goes through 8, 3. And we should be seeing where those points go to when we do the various transformations. So the first one we need to do is log to the base 2 of x take away 4, which we know is a vertical translation 4 units downwards. So 1, 0, we should see it going down here to 1, negative 4. We should see 2, negative 3, 4, negative 2. We should see 8, negative 1. Remember, that's moved down from 8, 3, it's moved down 4 units. And of course, then the shape is also important. It must come up from the asymptote. Try to get these points as best you can. And make sure we have arrows to show the trend. So if we move to the next one, log of x minus 2, that moves it 2 to the right. That means the asymptote moves 2 to the right. So I would put on the new asymptote. Then I would think about those key points. So this one here, the 1, 0 would have moved to 3, 0. And then we'd have the 2, 1 would move across to 4, 1. The 4, 2 would move to 6, 2. And then we'd have 10, 3 as well. So it comes up this asymptote. And then try and get these points in. It doesn't matter that I've missed them because I'm not being marked on this work. But you try to be a bit more careful than that. And then the last one, well, we need to think about this. This is log to the base 2 of x to the negative 1, which is negative log to the base 2 of x. So it's going to be a reflection in the x-axis. So in other words, it's going to go through 1, 0, but now it's going to be 2, negative 1, 4, negative 2, and 8, negative 3. And it's the positive y-axis that's the asymptote. This is actually the most difficult one to draw. And I would suggest you turning your paper upside down. And there we have it.